close the door and believe a broken heart. Feeling alright, gonna open up your heart. Let's keep the candles burning. Let your body melt in mine. I'm living in my dream. Sing with me. You're my heart, you're my soul. I keep me shining everywhere I go. You're my heart, you're my soul. I'll be holding you forever, stay with you together. You're my heart, you're my soul. Yeah, I feel that love grow. You're my heart, you're my soul. The only thing I really know. You are my heart, you are my soul. Once more, I want to hear you make a little noise. Come on. Tonight, there'll be no darkness tonight. Hold tight, let your love light shine bright. Listen to my heart and lay your body next to mine. Let me feel your soul in all my dreams. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. These are things we can't decide. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm a man. You're my fortune, and I'm your man. These are things we can't decide. Be my lady of the night. Back to my tenderness. And takes my sweet caress. You're all of me, and every night that you agree. Soon two hearts will be in ecstasy. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. These are things we can't decide. Being a lady of the night. You guys having fun tonight? Do you think you like Florida? Raise your hand, make some noise, come on. That's what I'm talking about, right? I'm gonna do my all-time favorite song one more, and then I'm gonna switch back to Saint Laurent. I want to dedicate this song to everyone in here from the Camp Support Florida tonight as Savannah Kid reunion coming up.